Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with another video of mine. So as a bookstagrammer, no matter how many books I have in my bookshelf that are unread, still I love to buy new books and I love to get new books no matter how many I have unread books in my own bookshelf. So currently, I was finding a lot of Indian writers, Indian authors to read their books, but I didn't know which book would be good and how I'll find some good Indian writers. So I am currently following one of the pages that is on Instagram that talks all about book, and she really promotes a lot of Indian books that are written by Indian authors. So I was following her, and I get to know got some of the reviews of good books that I really wanted to read them after knowing it. So I didn't think twice. I just buy it, and as you have knew in my previous video also that I have already got a parcel when I was making that video. So this video is all about unboxing those two books that I have bought online and that are written by Indian authors. So let's unbox it. These are the two book mails I got, and I really love book mails that I got. And I currently finished the series that I was reading. As you know, which series I was reading in the previous video. Do comment if you remember what series I'm talking about and which book I was on, that I was reading. I finished it yesterday and I was absolutely in love with it. I just love that book of the series, and I can read it again without reading those two books of the series. I can read that book also, and it was really, really, really good. I'm just in love with it, that book. So these are the two book mails that I have, and I'm now going to open it. Which one I should open first? This one or this one? Let's open this one because this one came first. So I'm going to open this one. So here it is. It looks really beautiful. The book name is The Palace of Illusion by Chitra Banerjee Divakarun. I love to read Indian stories a lot. I mostly, if you go on my Wattpad profile that I always mention in my description, so you can find a lot of Indian stories that I have read in my library. So I love to read a lot of Indian writers Indian stories a lot, like in Royal Empire and the Indian arranged marriage stories a lot. So if you want to read some of those, you can go on my profile and then you can go on a reading list. There are all the books that I've mentioned that are of Indian royal stories and also of Indian arranged marriages. So if you want, you can go and read. The book is in a perfectly good state and it looks really beautiful. The Palace of Illusion. I saw this book on her profile and I'm in love with the cover of it, and I decided I'll buy it, and it looks really good. The Palace of Illusion by Chitra. So it's all about the perspective. The book is all about the perspective of Mahabharata through Panchali's eyes. The story is all about it. So I'm really eager to read it because I have seen Mahabharata, but reading through a woman's point of view and Panchali's point of view is a different way. So I'm eager to read it. Let's open the next. The book uh, in this parcel is really good. I have read a review about it on it, and she has said that you will cry a lot while reading this book. You will shed tears a lot while reading this book, and it's the saddest book that you have ever read. She has told it in the review, and I haven't read any of the books till now, like paper books that I haven't read till now that made me cry. I have read some of the good Wattpad stories that has made me cry, but like a paper book, paperback book, I haven't have any that can make me cry. So I'm very eager to know if it will make me cry or not. Let me just open it and show you guys which book I'm talking about. Here it is. Lives Not Lived by Monica Bhatti. This book looks really good, like simple, sober, and it's a story of two women, and two women are also on the cover. I love the books where the cover signifies the story, cover able to show what story can hold. Even the book, last book I have read, is also having a cover that can tell you that, yeah, after you read the book you'll understand why there is those characters on the cover page, and I really like it. So this story is about two women and their life struggle, so that's why there are two women made. Oh, the book is not in a good state. Oh. This is so bad. The book is not in a good state. You see it clearly. There is a crack in it here. I don't like those books where shit. I can't even return it. Can't even return it because it has been on my shelf from a long time, and I didn't do it. Opened it because I want to make an unboxing video, and shit, I have to go through it. I have to use it. I can't change it. There is not any other option I can have. So yeah. I just hope it has all the pages. So let's talk about this book. Even if I am not happy with the book's state that I received, it was really bad. The book from here is not going good. And even the edges are not cutted properly. I just hate these types of work. It is look in such a bad state. Like they have given such a good packaging that I am not able to even open it. And now, after opening it, like literally see these edges are not in a good state. They are not cut it properly from here to see if you'll be able to see. Then from here the book is like this. See, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I really don't like my books like this, that they are in such a very bad state, and I'm hating it. Hating it. And I just hope they have all the pages. You know what I do when I buy these books? For example, I'm reading a book and there is page number 30. So when I am indulged in the book, I am indulged in reading that book, but particularly when I turn another page, I first check the page number 14 and then 15. Then I read that story continue reading that story. That I always do, because I don't want to just directly from 13 jump to 20 and I let those pages. I hate this. I really hate this. Once it has happened with me with the Kuran Hoa book, It Ends With Us, and now I don't want it to read it again. I was so excited for this book. I was so excited to read this book. I want to know that if I also have the same review for them, if I will also cry the same way the other readers had cried. The other readers had given a review that it's a sad story, it's a very good story, and it's a sad story. It will make you cry. But now, after reading, seeing this, my mind is not ready to read this book, because I am getting a gut feeling that it will have some pages will not be there in this book. And I then again have to put a story on Instagram and then ask for those pages. My mind is spoiled. Just spoiled. Spoiled. Okay, let it be. Now we can't really do anything. This book is all about the two girls' journey, how they go through all the pain, how they get through all that pain, and how they stood for themselves, how they stood for their own passion or career. After reading this, I can get idea of what type that the book can be like this. And I have read the review also, and there she also told the same thing, that the girl struggle. The book is all about the struggle of two girls. So, I was excited to read this book, but after seeing the state of this book, I will read, obviously, because I wanted to read the story a lot and see if it will make me cry or not. But that excitement, I was having this much excitement, but now I have this much excitement after seeing the cover like this. So I have two books. One is of colorful cover and one is of black cover. I'm really eager to read these two books. If you have read any of these two books, then comment and tell me which book have you read. I'm going to read this book or this book. Do tell me in the comment section which book I should start reading. And soon I am going to give you the review of the series I have done reading. You have to do tell me in the comment section which book I'm talking about, which friend book series I'm talking about that I have done reading, so that I can also know if you guys really watch my videos or not. So do tell me which book series I'm talking about in the comment section, and also tell me which book should I read first, this one or this one. Do tell me in the comment section. I'll wait for it. So this is all about the video. We have talked this book and this book. I want to share one more thing. I was currently here listening one of the audiobooks, but I really knew that for me audiobooks are not meant. I don't like audiobooks because the feeling of reading a paper-backed book, a hardcover book, is something different rather than listening an audiobook. So I am currently listening Pire Kamil book that a lot of people talks about. I've seen a lot of people talking about. It was recommended by my best friend, and I really loving that story. I was in love with the male character Salar Sikandar, but I want a hard copy. I want a paperback of that book. no matter what. I have told my best friend that gift me the paperback book, like English translation. It's a Urdu story, but I asked her to gift me a Pire Kamil book of English translation with English translation, and she said yes, yes, I give you gift of it. But I know that's never going to happen. I know her very well. She is not going to give me that book gift. Not at all. And she is the same girl who has two books of mine that I have told about in the previous video of mine. So I know she is not going to gift me that book, Pire Kamil, but I really wanted to read that book, and I think of purchasing it because I don't have any other option. She is not going to gift me. None of you guys are going to gift me, so I have to purchase the books by myself. So let's see when will I purchase that book and when will I be able to finish that audiobook too. I don't have really had an interest of reading an audiobook. The story is really good of Pire Kamil is really good. I really love it. But listening an audiobook and reading a paperback is different. If someone asks me, you want to listen a book, an audiobook, or read a paperback, I'll choose to read a paperback because it's the best thing. Reading a paperback, it's a best thing. I don't like to read audiobooks, listen audiobooks, or read books in phone like books like these. Reading stories on Wattpad is different rather than reading stories on phone, reading books on phone. So I really don't like it, and I really want to purchase that book. So let's see when I'll be able to purchase that book. But I really wanted to purchase that book. It's really good. I'm in love with the male character. I am in love with the male character. He is really, really, really good. Good. He is really good. If you haven't found a good male character whom you want to fall in love with, whom you want to fall in love with, then I recommend you to read Pire Kamil. You'll find the best male character that you want to fall in love with. He is the best. He is the best. And I really want that paperback or hardcover of that book. I really, really want that. I only want that paper book because of the main character. I really want it. Let's see when I'll buy it. I am also excited to buy it, but let's see when that day will come and I'll be able to buy it. Soon you will see me with a book review video of the book series that I was talking about. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section which book series I am talking about, and also don't forget to tell me which book I should read first from these two. This one, The Illusion of Palace, The Palace of Illusion, The Palace of Illusion, or this book, Lives Not Lived. Which book I should read first? Do tell me in the comment section too. So the video is all about this. I'll meet you later. Till then, be safe. Drink a lot of water because it's really hot, and the health is really important right now. So don't forget to drink water. Eat healthy food. Eat some fruits that make your body feel good, and take care. Keep smiling. Don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.